Then today we will have a study about the surface area of the cube. In the past part, we have already studied about the area of parallelogram, area of trapeziums, and area of the special quadrilateral and the area of the polygons. Today we are going to continue mensuration chapter number 11, surface area of a cube. Let's see what is a cube. Everybody has seen cube. Cube is a shape of the laddu dice. This is a cube. This is the shape of the cube. So when we see this is a face. This is a breadth, length. This will be the height, face. So this is the shape of the cube. So here we are going to find out the area, surface area of the cube. So everybody has understand that each face of the square has equal area as any other face. So here is a one square, here also one square, here also one square, here also one square. This is the shape of 3D figures. So in the 3D dimension, you will see the length, breadth, and height. So we call it, this type of shape is, we call it 3D shape. So the cube has 6 faces, all of which are congruent squares. So all the faces of the cube are in the shape of square and they are congruent to each other. All the faces are in a congruent. So here its face of a square has equal areas as any other face. So now we have to find out first the area of a square. What is the area of the square? Area of square equal to side into side. This is the for one face. For one face, if we want to find out the area of only one face, then it should be side into side. So one side is length, the length of the one side. That means length of one side is L. We can call it L. Then area of one face is equal to what? Area of one face equal to L into N. Okay, area of one face means area of a square. That is L into N. L into N. If L into N, since there are 6 congruent faces. So what will you do? Then the total surface area of a cube will become what? Will become 6 into L into L. That means 6L square. This will be the formula for total surface area of a cube. That is 6 into L into L. That means 6L square. L means the length of the edges. So this is the first one, surface area of a cube. And again, if you want to find out the length of the given cube, then what will be the formula? Let's see. See, surface area of a cube is equal to what? 6L square. If you want to find out only the length of a given cube, then what we are going to do? Length square is equal to, that is surface area divided by 6. Then L equal to what? L equal to square root over surface area, that is SA by 6. This will be the total surface area of the cube, formula for cube, and this will be the when surface area is given. You want to find out the length, then L equal to root over surface area divided by 6. These are the two formulas to find out the surface area of the cubes. Now let's see one example. See, the surface area is given here. Surface area of a cube is given, that is 726 centimeters square. So find the length of its edges. Now this is a cube. The total surface area SA has given, that is 762. Now we are going to find out the length for its faces. So let's see here. We know that according to the solution, L equal to what? L equal to root over, that is surface area divided by 6. Now what is the surface area? See, L equal to root over 726 divided by 6. Now what is the, if you divide 726 by 6, 1612121 is equal to, if you divide by 6, then root over 121. What is the square root of 121? The square root of 121 is root over 11 square. You can get this. Then the length of its cube will be 11 centimeter. In this way we can find out the length of the edges of the cube also. Okay. Now the next is the surface area of the cuboid. Now let's draw one rectangle, shape of the rectangle. This is the shape of the cuboid. So shape of the cuboid is face of the cuboid is same as a rectangle. Now let's see here. This is the face of the shape of the cuboid. That is, all the face of the cuboid are rectangles. Now this will be the breadth. This will be the breadth, and this will be the length, and this will be the height. Because cuboid has length, breadth, and height, because it is a 3D shapes. So here, in case of the surface area of the cuboid, we have to form a net of this cuboid, and then we have to find out the how to develop the formula of the total surface area of the cube. Let's see. This is a net form of this cuboid. So we have to find, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 rectangles. We have seen 6. We have find 6 rectangles because cuboid has 6 rectangles. So the first rectangle, we have to find out all the we have to add up all the area of this 6 rectangle. That will become the total surface area of the cuboid. Let's see first. Area of the first rectangle plus area of second rectangle plus area of third rectangle plus area of fourth rectangle plus area of fifth rectangle plus area of sixth rectangle. These all areas of these rectangles will give the total surface area of a cuboid. Let's see here. What is the area of first rectangle? Breadth into height plus breadth into height plus second one is breadth into length into breadth into length plus third one second one is length into height. The second one is length into breadth into height. This will be the height. Third one is length into breadth. Fourth is, what is the fourth? Height. Fourth one is length into height into length. Length into height plus fifth one is length into breadth, and the second and the last one is height into breadth. height into breadth. So let's see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 height, 5 breadth is there. So we can take in the common. Here comes double. We can took 2 as a common. This 2, this one, and this one. We can write only one here. Height into breadth plus another one, laying into height, laying into height, laying into height plus laying into breadth, laying into breadth, laying into breadth. So this is here again. It comes height breadth plus laying height plus laying breadth. This is a formula for total area of the cuboid. This is the formula of the total is equal to total surface area of cuboid. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. We can find out by using the net formation of this cuboid. We can find out the total surface area of a cuboid. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. Next we will have the surface area of 4 walls of a room. 4 walls of a room. In a room we have 4 walls. So if you want to find out the area of the walls of the room, then you will see that. Let's see here, area of the 4 wall. Let's find the area of the 4 wall. The area of the 4 wall. Let's find out the area of the 4 wall. Area of the 4 wall is perimeter of a room. We have to find out the first perimeter of room plus into the height of the room. If we want to find out the area of the 4 wall, then first we have to find out the perimeter of the room multiply by height of the room. We have to find out the perimeter of the room, and then we have to multiply by the height of the room. Next we will have the cylinder. We are going to find out the surface area of cylinder. A cylinder has 3 surface. Cylinder has 3 surface. A cylinder has 3 surface. Let's draw the cylinders here. This is the shape of the cylinders. This is the shape of the cylinders. This is the top surface. This is a base surface, and this is a curved surface. Now we have three types of surface are there in these cylinders. So the top and the bottom surface, that is base surface, is in the circular form, and the top surface and the bottoms are identical again. So we will have, surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r bracket height plus r. This is a formula to find out the area of this given cylinders. 2 pi r into height into r. This will be the formula to find out the area of the cylinders. Here again, if for example, if a cylinder has a height of now this is a small example. This is a one easiest example. If a cylinder has height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter, and the radius of the base is 7 centimeters. So these both are the same. So we have to find out the area of the total surface area of a cylinder. What is the formula of total surface area of a cylinder? Solution is that the total area of a cylinder, surface area of cylinder is equal to twice pi r bracket height plus r. So 2 into pi is the value of the pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? Radius is 7 bracket 20 is height, and the radius is 7. Now we have, you can omit this 2. We have 44 into 27. What is it? If you multiply this, then you will get 1188 centimeter square. In this way, you can find out the area of the total surface area of a given cylinder. Now let's see one. We have left this area of the lateral surface. What is the area of the lateral surface? Then the lateral surface area of a cylinder will be the area of the rectangle shown in the net of a cylinder. That is the net cylinder. That is this is a net formation of a cylinder. Okay. Now the breadth in here, this will be the height, and this will be the twice pi r. So the breadth of this rectangle is the height of the cylinder. The breadth of this rectangle will become the height of the cylinders, and the length of the rectangle will be the circumference of the bottom of the circle, which is twice pi r. Okay, so r will be the radius of circle. Radius of circle will be the r. So the area of the lateral surface will be twice pi r height. This will be the lateral surface area of a cylinder. Now what will the base? Base is two base are there. That this is a area of the circle. Sorry, area of the circle equal to 2 into pi r square. That means 2 pi r square. These are the two formula we have left to discuss. So this area of the lateral surface is 2 pi r into height. The area of both bases is 2 into pi r square. That is this one. These two are also important in this cylinders to find out the area of the total surface or area of the cylinder in this topic of cylinders. The area of the lateral surface and area of the both bases are also important. So this is one example to find out the area of the lateral surface. The area of the lateral surface. The area of the find the area of the core by a rod roller is 250 revolution if the radius is 42 and the length is 80. Now let's see here. This is also another important. The area covered by the rolling cylinder. You have seen the rod rollers that used for repairing the rod. So here, when the wheel is rotated, it covers the distance equal to the circumference in one rotation. Similarly, the area covered by the rolling cylinder in one revolution is equal to the lateral surface area. So here in this case, we are going to apply the formula of the area of the lateral surface. So let's see, solution equal to, that means that lateral surface area of rod roller will be twice pi r height. So here comes 2. Pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? Radius is 42. And what is the height? Height will become 80. Height will become height will become the length. Okay, here is this is a number. So we are going to find out. Here comes this 42 will become 6. 44 into 480. Now what will be the answer? The answer will be 21,120 centimeter square. Now this is a lateral surface area of the roller. So the area covered by what? By rod roller. That is area covered by rod roller is equal to, what is area? What is the area cover? The revolution is 250. This is the lateral surface area of the rod roller, and the area cover, the revolution, that is 2250 revolution. The answer will become, if you multiply these two numbers, then you will get 52 lakhs 80,000 centimeter square. Now the centimeter square cannot be measured for the cover by the rod roller of 250 revolves. So we are going to convert, therefore we are going to convert the area cover in meter. So if we are converting into the meter, then the area will become 5 to 8 centimeter square, because if we divide this to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 times of this will become 2 meter. If you get 2 meter, then you will get 10,000. You divide 1 2 3 4, 40 will be taken out from this. So the area we have covered here is 528 meters square. This is how we are going to find out the area covered by a rod roller when 250 revolution is there. The area will be the 528 meters square. Now let's see the example. 10 tin boxes of dimension 16 cm, 12 cm, 8 cm are to be made. Find the area of the tin sheet required to make a boxes. Now how will you find what we are going to find out here? Now the 10 tin boxes, 10 tin boxes. Now we are going to make 10 tin boxes. The dimension is 16 into 12 into 8 are to be made. Find the area of the tin sheet. Tin sheet will be in the form of the cuboid. Now we are going to find out tin means in shape of the cuboid. Now we are going to find out here surface area of a cuboid. What is the surface area of the cuboid? Twice length breadth plus breadth height plus length and the height. Here comes 2 length breadth. Now we are going to find out which one is length and which one is breadth. 16 into 12. These two will be the length and the breadth. Again length breadth height. So length breadth height. Now here comes length to breadth. Length is 16 into 12 plus breadth, that is 12 into 8 plus 16 into 8. Now come, if you multiply this 192 plus 96 plus 128. So here comes 2 into 416. Now comes 832 centimeters square will be the surface area of that cuboid. That means the surface area of the tin boxes. Now for 10 for this is for only one boxes. Now we are going to find out for 10 boxes. So now surface area for 10 boxes. For 10 boxes you will get 10 into 832 centimeters square. Now it becomes 8320 centimeters square will be the surface area for the 10 tin sheet requires. So now next we will have another example, that is to find out the 4 wall. The dimension of the room are length is 5 meter, breadth is 3 meter, height is 4 meter. Find the cost of the making for 4 wall at the rate of rupees 850 per meter. Now here comes the area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls is equal to perimeter of room into height of the room Now come perimeter is twice length plus breadth is 3 into height is 4. So here comes 2 into 8 into 4. The answer we get is 16 into 4. We will have 64 meter square will be the area of area of 4 wall. Area of 4 wall is 64 meters square. Now we are going to find out the cost of the bending for 4. Now after getting the area of the 4 wall, cost of painting will be the total cost of painting is equal to 64 into rupees 850. That means rupees 54,400. That means the cost of the painting will be the total area of 4 wall into cost of the painting per meter square, that is 850. So if you multiply both, you will get the rupees 54,400 will be the total area cost for painting the 4 wall at the rate of 850 per meter square. So today we have discussed about the area of the surface area of the cube. Surface area of the cube is 6L cube, 6L square. And if you want to find out the length of the cube, that is length of the cube equal to square root or root over surface area divided by 6. Now about the cuboid, you want to find out the total area of the cuboid. That means twice height into breadth plus length into height plus length into breadth. This will be the formula for the total surface area. And again, for the surface area of 4 wall is perimeter of the room into height of the room. Now about the cylinders. Surface area of cylinder is twice pi r bracket height plus r will be the surface area of cylinder. Now in that case of the cylinder, the area of the lateral surface, that is the area of the lateral surface is twice pi into radius into height. The area of both base is twice pi r square, that is twice pi r square. And so these are the today we have completed surface area of the cube, surface area of the cuboid, and the surface area of the cylinder. And these are the few examples that we have learned for today. Okay, dear student, we'll wind up here. Thank you.